The Little Fuzzies aren't just wreaking havoc on Earth, they're wreaking havoc on the moon as well.
Fuzzies sneak aboard the shuttle going to the moon. They touch down, then they steal the rover for the afternoon. They hit the throttle, pop a wheelie, bunny hop the boulders freely.
Mayhem on the Moon is part of the popular Adventures of Little Fuzzies series, which captures the imagination of children while helping them become better music readers.
The boulders freely, spin some donuts, jumping over craters bigger than the rover. Mayhem on the moon on Sunday afternoon.
Get Mayhem on the Moon only from ComposeCreate.com.